Hi everyone, welcome to Discovery Natural. If this is your first time watching our videos, please feel free to subscribe and also check out other videos that we have on this channel. So a lot of people use palm oil in their hair. I've only used palm oil in a hair product. I believe it was the Shea Moisture. They have a red palm oil line, and that line was very moisturizing. If you've never tried that line before, you can click that button that just popped up and you can watch my review of that line. Now, palm oil, I use it to cook a lot. I use it to cook a lot of our Nigerian foods, and I use it every week. It is very good for your body, it's very good for your skin, and so I started looking at how it can be beneficial for my hair. A lot of people in my Facebook group called Discover Natural Group, if you've not yet checked it out, please feel free to check it out. We do a lot of things, answer questions, you can post pictures of your hair. So a lot of them say they do pre-poo and they do hot oil treatments with this palm oil. Palm oil is very rich in vitamin E. Vitamin E is pretty much what palm oil is, and it has a lot of fatty acids. Now, what does fatty acid do to your hair? Fatty acids adds moisture to your hair. Vitamin E adds moisture to your hair. It's also good because it has like anti-aging properties. Some people say that it will help you reduce hair loss, and also if you're graying, your hair is getting gray, it will slow down the process. I've already heated up the palm oil, so it is nice and hot, very hot. To make it less messy, it might be okay for you to put it in a bottle and just pour it there, but I just want to really show you what it looks like. You can see it's very liquidy and it stains. See, I'll have to wash my finger after this. So I just begin by putting it on my hair like this. The key thing to when you get palm oil is to get 100% palm oil. You don't want to get one that is mixed with other oils. So this is my hair right now, the way the palm oil looks in my hair. You can see it's not really red, like showing so much red. You can see a little bit of tint there. The evidence is pretty much on my fingers. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to cover my hair with a bag, and then I cover my hair with a bonnet, my knitted hat. So when I'm working out, I sweat a lot, and this will keep my head hot and everything like that. So it has actually been about 9 hours since I did this, and I was just got out of work and I'm just removing this, and you can see how the discoloration is. Oil and all that stuff are saturated in there. So what I do is I don't just jump into the shower, because normally I actually wash my hair outside of the shower. So if you guys want to know about shampooing my hair regularly, I take warm water. So this is warm water, and I'm going to just spray my hair a little bit with warm water like this. And this technique seems to be working well for me when I use palm oil, and you can see it's already starting to stain my hand yet again. So I'm just doing this. Now you want to grab a towel that you really don't care about. So just grab your towel, oh gosh, and then grab your shampoo. I'm using the Healing House of Isis shampoo. You want to get your shampoo outside of the shower, and I'm going to saturate my hair with the shampoo just to break down the oil. So now we're at the tub, and you can see that my tub is all white. It's a white tub, and I want to keep the color white. Okay, so I've already saturated my hair with this shampoo. You can see the stain that the palm oil made to the shampoo. So now what I do is I'm just going to rinse the shampoo. I have also here a cleaner that has bleach in it already standing by. Always have that ready. So just rinse your hair like this, okay, and you can see the oil is already pouring. If you have a bucket, you can rinse your hair into the bucket, but you want to rinse it really good and try not to make too much of a mess when you're rinsing. So now you can see the water is no longer yellow. So if you see my bathtub, you see the stain. That's the stain that I'm trying to avoid. So I'm just going to get my cleanser and just start cleansing it. Spray it down, and with the spray and with the all this stuff, this is what people don't show you. This is the only hair I lost when I was washing my hair. And easily, once I rinse it with warm water, warm to hot water. I usually use hot water. See, it comes out very easy. So this is my hair after I styled it, and you can see the one thing that I like is my hair is very soft, much softer with the palm oil, and I was quite surprised. But my hair has kind of like a dull look. Even though I shampooed it really well, it doesn't have the shine that I'm used to. So I don't know, but will I continue to use palm oil? Once in a while I will, if I have the time to do all the cleaning and things like that afterwards. Do you use palm oil in your hair? Comment below, let me know. If you guys love this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe, and also watch these other videos right over here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Thanks for watching. Bye.